to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is I have a new accessories or package now. So maybe there are three package here. So let's go and open this kind of package. So first we need to take out the plastic. Guys, 1, 2, 3. So there have 3. So there have 3 package. So first we open this kind of package. So let's go and open. This is the spirit beast. So this is the spirit beast. So I will buy this kind of to connect my headlight. So this is from here. So this is the wire and this is the case of here. So I will put it here inside. So like this. And then like this. So I put here. So this is it, guys. So I already fixed it. Alright, so you can see this will be my start and off of my headlight. You can see. So this is the wire to connect the lights. So very beautiful. And also there have accessories, tie lock, bolts, and allen rings. So this is the another box of my accessories, and then we'll open the another one. This one is the same, guys. So also they have bolts, tie lock, and then other rings also. And this is my new lights. This is my new lights. You can see this is the name is Spirit Beast. So I will put this kind of black lights is from here. So this is the lock to connect. Also I have buy already. I will connect here from here. And then we need to bolt, and then I will put here. So like this. So this light is very beautiful. So that's why I will buy this kind of light. So the voltage is 60 volts. So there have also motherboard here. So let's open the another one. Also maybe the same like this. because I ordered two, so it's like the same. You can see it's the same. So this is it, guys. All of the accessories here. So this is my new accessories now. So I will put this kind of spirit beads here, here, and then I will put here. As you can see, it's very beautiful. So I will choose the color red because my scooter is red, so I like red. So, and this is also, there have a lights here. That is it, guys. So I very like it. So this is it, and this is my switch button of my lights. So we will connect this all kinds and wiring here, but to battery or my internal battery. So I will thinking if I will put this kind of wiring if here in my extra battery or in my internal battery. So this is it, guys. So this is it, guys. So thank you for watching this kind of video. So you can see this is my new accessories. Name is Spirit Beast. So very beautiful, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. So for my next video is I will to show you how to install or to wiring this kind of lights to my battery and also to my scooter. So thank you, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to my updated to my next video and how to install this kind of lights, Spirit Beast. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Sign out.